Real question: how long does no-bake cheesecake actually last in the fridge before it starts tasting? Like the fridge, let's break it down fast so you can store it safely and keep that fresh, creamy texture. Most no-bake cheesecakes are at their best for about 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator if they're tightly covered and kept consistently cold. Think of it like this: days 3 and 4 are usually peak texture and flavor. Day 5 can still be fine. After that, especially day 6 or 7, quality drops and food safety becomes a bigger question. Toppings change everything. Fresh berries and whipped cream are the quickest to break down because they release moisture. Thick toppings like lemon curd or chocolate ganache usually hold up longer. Best move: store it whole. A whole cheesecake stays fresher than slices because there's less surface exposed to air and fewer chances for it to pick up fridge odors. If you're storing slices, use an airtight container and put parchment between layers. It prevents smearing, protects the crust, and keeps everything looking clean. For pretty slices, use a hot, dry knife. Quick rinse in hot water, wipe it dry, then slice straight down. It's the easiest way to get clean edges without dragging the filling. Here's when you toss it: off smell, any mold, or major watery separation that wasn't there before. And if it's pushing a full week in the fridge, don't gamble with dairy. Yes, you can freeze no-bake cheesecake. Chill it first, freeze it briefly and cover to firm the surface, then wrap tight plastic wrap plus foil. Thaw overnight in the fridge for the best texture. Bottom line: keep it cold, keep it covered, and plan to enjoy it within 3 to 5 days. For the full storage guide plus topping timelines and signs it's gone bad, check the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.